Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to share you how to create a Google custom audience for our Performance Max ads campaign. So first of all, you need to go your ads account and sign in your Google Ads account. After signing your Google Ad account, you need to select your account. I have a multiple client account, so I'm selecting my targeted client account, and I'm going to create a Google audience segment that will help our performance ads campaign. So first of all, click the tools option, and after tools option, here you will get um, data manager. Just click this one. If you click the data manager, then here you can see multiple option, and I just hide, and please click the share library, and here you can see audience manager. So after audience manager, here you will get add to cart audience, different type of audience. Okay, so you need to sorry, my site is loading again, so I just click again. So here you can see our audience, so I just select audience option and try to new audience. So here you can see how much this audience is creating now. This audience weekly impression is 10,000. So this remarketing audience for clothes, I just click new one and create a new audience. That will be essential cloth store, essential cloth store, or I can use domain name of our businesses. Okay, this one is our targeted audience. I just copy this one, copy and right here paste. Okay, so this is our targeted audience, and any segments, I will not do any segments. Okay, people with any this purchase intent. Okay, purchase intent, because I need sales, and save this option. And interest, also this will be purchase. So buy interest idea, track free jogging bottom, Nike gray, black Nike track suit. Okay, I just save this one. Okay, so purchase intent, and here I can see my data. Okay, so I can select this one, also select this one, select this one, and select this one. Okay, so and save to created audience, and here you can see my audience already created. I can use all of my performance ad campaign. Hopefully you understand how to create a Google audience. So here you can see your data. Here you will get all type of audience, and here you can see how much check now. This is very zero. So here you can see audience option, custom audience. So purchase intent is a custom audience, combined audience, and your data inside, and your data in market audience, affinity segments, and here you can see your data sources. Okay, so hopefully our audience already created, so you can understand. If you want to create audience, please go and create a new audience. So hopefully you understand how to create a goal audience. Thank you so much for watching this video.